Today I am taking you along as I restock my budget pantry with my most recent hauls from Azure Standard and my local bulk food store. At the end of this video, I'm also sharing how we buy our food. Welcome to our wilderness home. We're so glad you're here. We have a Mennonite bulk food store near us, and I enjoy checking it out periodically to see what they have. So here is what I found this time around. First off, I found this Little Italy in the Bronx pasta, and this was $1.29. Next up, I found this Full Circle organic corn, and this was 89 cents. These Munchkin diaper pail refills were 99 cents. I was really happy to find these organic Pumpkin Tree brand baby food pouches. These were only 25 cents a piece, and I got 4 of them. While our baby does eat real food, I do like to have these on hand, especially if we are out and about. I found this 12-pack of Mott's Mighty applesauce pouches. These are different flavored applesauce pouches, and these were $1.80. My husband really enjoys taking juice boxes to work as part of his lunch, so I found these 8-pack of juicy juices, and these were, I believe, $1.80 each. Next up, I was excited to find an organic beef stock, and this is the Kitchen Basics brand, and this was $1.80. I usually do pick up applesauce if I happen to find it there. I got these Mott's applesauce cups, and these were $1.25 a piece. There are 6 cups in each package, and I got 2 of them. I am really excited whenever I'm able to find some gluten-free items because we do have some friends and family who are gluten-free. These are the Tate's gluten-free cookies, and these were $1.59. These are really random, but we've been on a sweet potato kick, and these were 99 cents a pound. This is King Arthur brand golden wheat whole wheat flour, and it's not organic, but it is non-GMO, and this was only $1.99. This is the second bulk food store haul that I have. Same store, but different items because it was a different time that I went, and I found pretty much totally different stuff. It's really a hit or miss type of place. You just have no idea really what they're going to have each time you go in. Sometimes I am able to find some really great organic items at really, really great prices. So to start out with, I found 2 of these Cliff Bars for 45 cents each. I also found these organic puff type snacks for our baby. These were 10 cents. So this one is the Geneve brand chocolate, and this was $1.20. And then we also found this Choco Love brand, and this one was $1.80. We found this Milka brand chocolate, and these were 79 cents a piece. I needed some Italian seasoning, and this was $1.96. I found this bag of kind of hodgepodge kind bars. I think there were maybe 9 bars in here, and this was $2.71. I found some more gluten-free stuff for our friends and family, and these were gluten-free Oreos, and I believe they were $2.49. I was really excited to find some more of the Pumpkin Tree Organics pouches for our baby. These are a different flavor too, so that's nice. These were still 25 cents each, and I got 4 of them. I found this Schick bamboo razor for $2.50. We needed some elbow macaroni. This was $1.29. Next up, I found these Eco Soul brand cutlery set, and this isn't necessarily a need or anything, but when we're hosting people or having, picnics or something, it's nice to have some disposable silverware, and these were $3.99 in our store, but they, I guess, weren't moving, so they marked them down to 99 cents, so I went ahead and got one. I found 2 of these Fanny brand marinara sauces. We were kind of rushed this time when we went to the store, so I didn't really look at the ingredients thoroughly. I was disappointed to see that these do contain canola oil, so that's a bummer, but I did get 2 of these for 89 cents each. We are trying not to rely so heavily on paper plates, but we do still use them. And I found these Boulder brand, which is the Aldi brand, paper plates. These are the larger ones, and I believe these were $4.29. This was probably the best find in this particular haul. This is the King Arthur brand, and this is gluten-free pie crust. They had a lot of these, but I don't know how many gluten-free pies I'm going to be making, so I only got 2, but they were 99 cents each. And then more juice boxes for my husband. These are Minute Maid brand, and these were 40 cents each, and I got 2 of them. Next up, I am sharing my Azure Standard haul. First up, we have the Azure sales flyer for March 2026. These sales flyers come in each order that you place. I wanted to try out this Azure Clean bathroom cleaner this time around, so I went ahead and picked this up. This was $6.99. I really love the all-purpose cleaner, so I'm really hoping that this will be really great too. Next up, I have been meaning to try this Desert Essence fragrance-free hand and body lotion, and I finally added it to my order for this month. This was $8.32, and I have started using it, and I really do like it. It's not too heavy, it's not too greasy, and I just really like it so far. This is the Nancy's Organic Probiotic Whole Milk Yogurt, and I've gotten this before and I really do like it. I think it's a lot thicker than other similar yogurts that I have been trying lately. This was $6.60. I've been meaning to try out buying bulk spices at Azure, and I got this chili powder. This is organic, and it is 4 ounces of chili powder, and it costs $3.84, which is a really great price for organic chili powder. Next up, I got this Azure Market Organics bread flour, and this is whole red wheat. This is a 5-pound bag, and it was $8.10. I really like this flour. I use this flour and all-purpose flour when I make bread, and hopefully I will get my mill soon. It is probably going to be here in a couple of months. It's been back ordered a few times, but once I do start milling my own grain, I won't have to buy this, and I'll just start buying wheat berries instead. This is our first time trying out some Sierra Nevada Company organic raw milk white cheddar cheese, and this is 5.25 pounds of cheese. It was a little pricey compared to what we're normally paying for just regular cheese from the grocery store. So this was $8.81 a pound, so it came out to be $46.23. But this is one of those areas where we do want to pay a little bit more for a little more of a high quality product. So we are looking forward to trying this, and we'll just be wise in our cheese consumption and ration it out a little bit so that it lasts a little bit longer. I have never used einkorn flour before, but I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So I got this Azure Market Organic einkorn flour, and this is a 10-pound bag. This was $19.50. And then finally, I got my all-purpose household cleaner. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I really like this stuff. And I usually was getting it in the gallon, and then I was looking at the pricing per ounce and realized that it's a little bit cheaper to buy it in a 5-gallon package instead of the 1 gallon. So I decided to try that out for this time. It was $34.76, but this should last a really long time. Also, I picked up these pears for a family member who wanted to add it to my order. This is 21 pounds of pears, and it was $17.32. If you are interested in checking out Azure Standard, you can find my referral link in the description box below. New Azure customers can also use the promo code NEW15 to get $15 off your first $100 purchase. I try to do my best to buy clean food options for my family when I can find them on sale or clearance. However, we do sometimes splurge to buy higher quality items that are a little more expensive and make cuts in other areas of our budget. We also sometimes buy things that aren't exactly healthy because while we are on a journey to make better choices when it comes to the food we eat and the things we buy, we also are sometimes 80-20 about it. So is everything in the hauls that I have shown today healthy and 100% clean? No, absolutely not. Is everything in my pantry 100% clean? No, it's not. But I am looking now. I am paying attention now. And I am making a little bit better choices than I was last year at this time, last month at this time. We are on a journey. It is a progression, it is a process. But this is where we're at right now with the budget that we have, the resources that we have, and the opportunities that we have been given. So we are going to do our best to be good stewards of the things that we do have, and we are going to try to be wise as we make new decisions. Shopping for things that are discounted, clearanced, marked down, bent and dent. This is just kind of how I shop. I don't usually go into a week with a particular grocery list or anything like that. I really just check our pantry, our freezer, our fridge, and just look at what we have and what I can kind of make with the things that we have already. I might put a couple of specific things on a list to pick up throughout that week or on my next Azure order or something like that. But for the most part, I'm not going to Walmart every week and buying certain groceries, the exact same stuff every single week. That's just not what we do. For the most part, I am just shopping when I find stuff on sale and just kind of working around that to make meals for my family. Thanks so much for following along today as I restocked our budget pantry with some items from my most recent Azure Standard and bulk food store hauls. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thanks for visiting our wilderness home. We'll see you soon.